Here we come. It's the zone for the metal joining. This is the place weld some copper pipe. These are the copper pipe parts already prepared for assembly and soldering. Right over there is our soldering team, each with more than 10 years of experience. Before we move to testing, there's one important step, leak detection. We will inject each refrigeration circle nitrogen gas to detect the potential leakage points for more than 24 hours. This eliminates any leakage risk happening to the system.